Welcome to another video tutorial by MilesWeb. Click on the subscribe button to get notified for our latest videos. How to create packages in DirectAdmin. Log into your reseller account of the DirectAdmin panel. From the Account Manager section, click on Manage User Packages. Click on Add Package. A form will appear where you get to set the features and resources you choose to provide with this package. Consequently, you can enter or assign the values to the fields as per the requirement. The other part of the form includes feature sets, where you can customize the feature policy for the package. Plugins allow or deny to customize the list of plugins to provide with the package. Package name. Enter the name for the package. After making all the necessary customizations you want for the package, click on Save. The system will save the package and add it to the list of your user packages. Hopefully this video was helpful for you. If yes, then hit the like button. For any technical questions, you can contact us on this email ID. Do follow us on other social media platforms.